Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to put apps on your home screen on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. Now, at first, just go ahead and right click on your desktop. Then just click on Personalize. Then from here, you need to go inside Themes on the left hand menu. Then from Themes on the right hand side under Related Settings, you'll find Desktop Icon Settings. Just select this. And from here, you can simply select all the icons that you want on your desktop. Then just click on apply, click on OK. Then just close this. As you can see, I have all the icons right here. And if you want to put any specific apps right here, what you need to do is just go to your window. Then type the name of the app which you want. I want VLC Media Player, so I'm just going to select it. I'm going to drag it to my desktop. And there you go. I have put VLC Media Player on my desktop. So basically that is how to put apps on your home screen on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.